Your phone? A goldmine in your pocket. Yes, your phone is truly amazing. It's not just for calls and funny cat videos. You can actually make money with it. That's right, your phone can be a powerful tool for earning extra cash. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, your phone has you covered. Let's dive into the exciting world of mobile earning. First things first, you need the right mindset. Earning money on your phone takes effort and dedication, just like any other job. But the beauty of it is the flexibility and low barrier to entry. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and you don't need a fancy degree or tons of experience. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy. Do you love taking photos? Maybe you're a whiz at social media, or perhaps you have a knack for writing or design. Whatever your skills and interests, there's a way to monetize them using your phone. Get ready to unlock your phone's earning potential. In the following sections, we'll explore various ways to make money using just your phone. From selling products to providing services, from social media marketing to micro-investing, the possibilities are endless. So, grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's get started. Turn your passion into profit selling stuff online. Remember that awesome photo you took of your dog, or that delicious cake you baked last week? You can turn your passions and skills into cash by selling products online using your phone. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even Instagram make it super easy to set up an online shop and start selling. Whether you're creating handmade crafts, designing unique t-shirts, or selling vintage finds, your phone becomes your mobile storefront. Take high-quality photos of your products and write clear, concise descriptions. Use social media to promote your shop and engage with potential customers. Offer excellent customer service and build a loyal following. Selling online takes effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and turn your creativity into a source of income. So what are you waiting for? Start listing those products and watch the sales roll in. Services on the go skills that pay. Are you a people person with a knack for problem solving? Do you have a talent for writing, editing, or graphic design? Turn your skills into a service-based business using your phone. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. You can find gigs ranging from writing blog posts, to designing logos, to providing virtual assistants. Create a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experience. Set competitive rates and deliver high-quality work to build a strong reputation. Use your phone to communicate with clients, manage projects, and get paid securely. The gig economy is booming, and there's never been a better time to become your own boss. Use your phone to find clients, showcase your skills, and earn money doing what you love, all on your own terms. Become a social media superstar, monetizing your influence. Do you live and breathe social media? Are you a master at creating engaging content? Then you might have what it takes to become a social media influencer and monetize your online presence. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products and services to their followers. If you have a sizable and engaged following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you can partner with brands and earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and more. Focus on building a genuine connection with your audience by creating high-quality content that provides value. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and be authentic. As your influence grows, so will your earning potential. Remember, building a successful social media presence takes time and effort. Stay consistent, be patient, and focus on creating content that you're passionate about. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your love for social media into a lucrative career. Micro-investing, growing your money. 1 cent at a time. Investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With micro-investing apps, you can start growing your money with just a few dollars, or even cents at a time. Apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood allow you to invest your spare change by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. You can also set up recurring investments or make one-time contributions whenever you have some extra cash. These apps make investing accessible and affordable for everyone. They offer a variety of investment options, from low-risk index funds to individual stocks. You can choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Micro-investing is a great way to start building wealth gradually over time. It's a passive approach to investing that requires minimal effort, but can yield significant returns in the long run. So why not download a micro-investing app today and start putting your spare change to work? The gig economy. Your phone, your boss. The gig economy is revolutionizing the way we work, and your phone is your ticket to a world of flexible earning opportunities. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or build a full-time income, there's a gig out there for you. Ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft allow you to become your own boss and set your own hours. Delivery services like DoorDash, Grubhub, and Instacart offer flexible ways to earn money by delivering food or groceries. And if you enjoy cleaning or running errands, platforms like TaskRabbit and Handy connect you with people looking for help with everyday tasks. The beauty of the gig economy is the flexibility and control it offers. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want, and choose the gigs that fit your schedule and preferences. Plus, you get to be your own boss and set your own rates. So if you're looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative way to earn money, explore the world of gig work. Your phone is your office, and the possibilities are endless. Cashing in on creativity apps for artists and writers. Are you a budding photographer, a wordsmith extraordinaire, or a talented artist? Your phone can be your canvas and your cash cow. Numerous apps allow you to monetize your creativity and connect with a global audience. For photographers, apps like Fope and Shutterstock allow you to sell your photos to brands and individuals worldwide. Writers can find freelance gigs, publish their work, and even earn royalties through platforms like Medium, Wattpad, and Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing. An artist can sell their designs on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble and Society6. These apps provide a platform for creative individuals to showcase their talents, reach a wider audience, and turn their passion into profit. They handle everything from marketing and sales to printing and shipping, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. So, unleash your inner artist, writer, or photographer and explore the world of creative apps. Your phone can be your gateway to a world of artistic and financial fulfillment. Learn and earn educational resources at your fingertips. Your phone isn't just for entertainment and social media. It's also a powerful learning tool that can help you acquire new skills and boost your earning potential. From online courses to language learning apps, there are countless resources available to expand your knowledge and unlock new opportunities. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a wide range of online courses from top universities and institutions worldwide. You can learn anything from coding and web development to business and marketing to personal development and more. Many courses are free or available at a fraction of the cost of traditional education. Language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone make it fun and easy to pick up a new language. Being multilingual can open up job opportunities, enhance your travel experiences, and broaden your horizons. Investing in your education is one of the best things you can do for your future. And with the abundance of educational resources available on your phone, learning has never been more accessible or affordable. Stay safe, stay smart, navigating the online earning world. While the world of online earning offers incredible opportunities, it's crucial to prioritize your safety and protect yourself from scams and fraudulent activities. Here are some essential tips to stay safe while earning money on your phone. First and foremost, do your research. Before signing up for any platform, app, or gig, thoroughly investigate its legitimacy. Read reviews from other users, check for online forums and discussions, and look for any red flags that might indicate a scam. Be wary of opportunities that seem too good to be true, as they often are. Avoid sharing personal or financial information with unverified sources. Stick to reputable platforms and apps with positive track records. When in doubt, trust your instincts. If something feels off or suspicious, it's best to err on the side of caution and avoid engaging further. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount. By staying informed, being cautious, and following these safety tips, you can navigate the online earning world with confidence and peace of mind. Consistency is key building your phone-powered income stream. Building a sustainable income stream through your phone takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a marathon that requires patience, persistence, and a commitment to showing up consistently. Treat your online earning endeavors like a real business. Set realistic goals, create a schedule, and stick to it as much as possible. Consistency is key to building momentum, establishing your presence, and ultimately, achieving your financial goals. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Building a successful online business takes time. Stay focused on your goals, continuously learn and adapt, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, every small step you take contributes to your overall success. The future is now. Embrace the mobile money revolution. The world is rapidly shifting towards a mobile-first economy, and the opportunities to earn money using your phone are only going to continue to grow. Embrace this exciting shift and position yourself at the forefront of the mobile money revolution. Stay informed about the latest trends, apps, and platforms emerging in the mobile earning space. Continuously learn new skills, adapt to the ever-changing landscape, and don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. The key to success in the mobile earning world is to be proactive, resourceful, and always willing to embrace new opportunities. The future is now, and it's mobile. So, go out there, hustle hard, and turn your phone into a powerful tool for financial freedom and success.